Students draw pictures for given expression and explain what it means in this activity. Let's take 3 times 2. I'll place the expression 3 times 2 here. 3 times 2 means there are 3 groups. Let's make 1, 2, and 3 groups. Each group has 2 objects or things. Let's draw cookies here. 2 cookies, 2 and 2. This is what it means. 2 plus 2 plus 2, or 3 times 2. The expression means there are 3 plates. Each plate has 2 cookies. And the total number of cookies is 6. Let's get another one. 4 times 5. 4 groups. 4 shelves. Each shelf has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pies. 4, 5, 5 pies. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 4 times 5. The expression means there are 4 shelves. Each shelf has 5 pies. Total number of pies. We are counting the total number of pies. We already know that there are 4 shelves. Total number of pies is 4 times 5 is 20. Directions provide students, directions help students work on this activity independently. Teacher exemplar sets expectations. And the answers provide immediate feedback.